Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Do unto your brother as you want your brother to do unto you. You are a soldier. Human life is nothing to you. Very good. I'm an Igbo man, a businessman. We have been looking for peace since. This man, his statement is very diplomatic. He speaks with experience. As an army officer that is educated and well learned. Anyway, the name you mentioned, I know he must be from Southwest. I often listen to crafts from all these military officers in the northern Nigeria where they poorly obtain their educational certificates, talking and chatting to people that we want to enter into dialogue with. But what this very particular man, Fagbemi, right? Fagbemi by name, what he said is using diplomacy. And I'm of the opinion that the man is preferring for peace. But I have a question for Fagbemi. Is his name Fagbemi, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
His name is Shegun Awofadeji.
Okay, Awofadeji. Awofadeji, I'm an Igbo man, you are a Yoruba man. If you could be in the positions of the Igbos from 1967 till date, if it happened that a situation like this occurs, are you going to take it easy? No, I just want to ask you a question. After the war, Awolowo gave my uncle, my father, 20 pounds. Fagbemi Abi Awoyemi, this Awofadeji. Oga, are you going to take it easy? If what happened to Igbos happened to you, that money that Awolowo gave to the Igbos, 20 pounds, and even it wasn't Nnamdikanu that gave it to the Yorubas, 20 pounds. Can we rest? Can we stay one place today and drink cold water with the Igbos? No, I just want you to know the law of Confucius. Confucian story. You know what he said? If you're not well read, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Do unto your brother as you want your brother to do unto you. You are a soldier. Human life is nothing to you. Very good. I'm an Igbo man, a businessman. We have been looking for peace since hunting, seriously, since 1970, the Igbos. But there is no peace in Igbo land. You know why there's no peace? The Fulani hegemonies have been selling all manner of stories to the Biafran coastal line. The Igbo states, the Ejo states, the Ekaibos, that's the old Bendel states, including the Benin. That is what's orchestrating what is going on now in the southwest, in the southeast, and almost southern Nigeria. So what happened there, my Oga? The apple of the stud has been sold by the people that think that they are the #1 citizen in Nigeria. I know you might judge me because you're a military man. You believe that you have handled gun. You believe that you have gone further maybe than I do or did. But I'm talking to you as a human being. The people that orchestrated this trouble going on in Nigeria, don't you know it? Because I know that you went to school. Did the Yoruba man just all of a sudden wake up one day and start asking for Dua Republic? I know you're a Yoruba man and you have more Yoruba experience than I do because I'm an Igbo man. Did nnamdikanu just wake up one day? Another question for you. And all of a sudden started shouting, Biafra, Biafra. I need a question from you. I need the answer, sorry. See, let me tell you, what is going on presently is orchestrated by the same people that has put us in this kind of excruciating, cruel situation. They don't want peace for the Igbo man. They don't want peace for the Yoruba man. And likewise, other ethnic group in southern Nigeria, even in the mid-belt. So what happens now is, agitation is going on. And if anybody is accusing Igbo man, that's the indigenous people of Biafra, of wielding weapon, carry AK-47, it's a lie. Oga, you are from Yoruba extraction. Control, put on hold what Fulani herdsmen all over Nigeria are doing. put it right into your brain that these Fulani herdsmen you see are visitors from Mali. You as a security officer, you will not done anything about it. They are visitors from Niger, Burkina Faso, and the Senegal. You have not seen it right or wrong to go to the National House of Assembly and have what a shout out with lawmakers in the house to curtail the activities of these foreigner Fulanis that are encroaching across farmland of Nigeria, killing and maiming farmers, which of course has brought us to this kind of food drought. Okay, there is famine in the land. You are minding Biafra. Nnamdikanu is your problem. Who orchestrated this kind of food drought? Famine. Nnamdikanu caused famine. Nnamdikanu is the reason why a bag of rice is expensive. We can no longer afford a bag of beans. Do you know that Sokoto brown or white is the cheapest beans in Nigeria? We don't see it to eat anymore. Nnamdikanu caused it. No, Igbo man is the problem. Now beans, a bag of beans is 120,000. Okay, let us be truthful to ourselves. Religion or tribal bigotry can never give Nigeria peace. Oppressing Igbo man, incessant oppression of Igbo man can never give us peace. Let us put hands on round table for a talk of peace. Let Igbo man grab his own political benefit. Let the one that is meant for the Southwesterners go for them. Let the one that is meant for the Northerners go for them. We don't need to just be killing ourselves out of hatred, ethnic hatred, out of hatred, religious bigotry, out of hatred, because someone is having an edge over his fellow human being. He's trying to grab his throat, denying him breath of life. Igbo man is not breathing. Igbo man can no longer breathe. It started long time ago that we have come of age. Biafrans are not carrying gun. Oga, go to Fulani herdsmen. They are the one wielding gun across Nigeria, killing farmers at once as they like.
So do you not think that if they release Nnamdikanu and at the same time reduce the checkpoint in the southeast, at the same time also they also because you've seen Igbos, they've come and said that if federal governments withdraw the military from the southeast and they also reduce the checkpoint, that the southeast there will be peace in the southeast. Do you think if they reduce the checkpoint and at least reduce Nnamdikanu, at least the level of agitation will at least climb down a little bit?
Na lie. Na lie, typical lie. Let me use the word.
But that's what the boss are calling for.
Wait, if I talk English, it will look like say my English is too big. I'm gonna lie. If you release Nnamdikanu, agitation will take a very good dimension now. Releasing Nnamdikanu, let the agitation be seen on another multifaceted dimension.
But you just
listen good. Releasing Nnamdikanu now and see agitation of Biafra crawling into multifaceted dimension. Are you listening to me? Then again, reduce the number of checkpoints in the southeastern Nigeria. You will see the citizens of the southeast of Nigeria give sighs of relief. Okay, if you are the one, you have over how many hundreds of thousands of family checkpoints to your community, will you like it? No, this is a simple question you can answer. Will you like it? Oppression, suppression, servility, or you call it servitude. Servitude is the same slavery, is one English language. Will you like it? You want somebody to succumb to incessant servitude, slavery, oppression. Is it a healthy idea or a healthy system? It is wrong. 2, Igbos are peace-loving people. They are much enterprising, more than your own tribe, Yoruba, than Fulani, than Hausa, than any other tribe in West Africa. I don't want to extend it to African continent. Oga Igbo man is innocent in Nigeria. They reduce the number of checkpoints. If care is not taken, evaporate all the checkpoints in southeast Nigeria into the air. We want the whole checkpoint to disappear. Igbo land is a quiet place. If you mount checkpoint, mount it with reason. It shouldn't be that kind of outrageous checkpoints everywhere. Igbos are subjected to all manner of maltreatments. Dehumanization, demoralization, oppression, and the injustice going on in southeastern Nigeria today is because we have been living with people that are on gunpoint. You don't live with your people. We have neighbors on gunpoint. They are all over our neck. It is wrong. 3, release nnamdikanu. You know that the solution that you are having somebody that has not done anything. Nnamdikanu did not shoot bullets at Nigerian soldiers. IPOB did not shoot bullets at Nigerian police. You started it first, and today it has escalated to what we are seeing today. The president, I'm asking you a question. When Masob were killed, being killed under Wazulike, the former famous agitator, did they use gun? You shoot and shoot innocent youth. They died in their large number. Did they use gun? See, let me tell you, nobody's using gun in Igbo land. The main orchestrator of this insecurity going on now is that Nigerian government is bent on looking down on Igbo man. Nigerian government doesn't want to give Igbo man what belongs to him. They believe that Igbo man is the least on the classification in our society today, the last class. Number 1 first class person in the whole world is Igbo man, more intelligent than you are. So what we have in Igbo land are men. Nobody is carrying gun. You carry gun, you kill many people, many boys on nnamdikanu's father's palace. They died today. Brutai did his own. It is your time. Go honorably and release nnamdikanu and let him off the hook. There will be peace.
As somebody said, Biafra don't need it. Easterners don't need it. South don't need it.
Let's take a look at what Ekpa said. He said if they bring that livestock to the south east region of Nigeria, that they are ready to burn down anything associated with livestock, Ministry of Livestock in the southeast. He said, you know, he vehemently rejected it. He said, no, it's not what the southeast are interested in, that they can go and do it in other places, but come to the southeast, it will not be possible, that they reject it. They don't want Ministry of Livestock in the Biafra land.
If you watch Biafra land, southeast, including these 40 states of this present Biafra struggling that Simon Ekpa created, they don't have much problem with livestock. How much for they say they're creating ministry? If you have a livestock, you build your own personal ranch in your own compound. In your own compound for it. Not another person compound. And if you come to my area, we have a time that you can allow your livestock to come out. A season after time of planting and harvesting. After time of planting and harvesting, you can allow it will be announced. Now you can allow your animals to come out of the ranch to patrol. And if you watch them, most of them don't patrol more than the environment they were trained. Not that you will carry animal from here to 3 miles, 2 miles away to another community, to another town, to another local government. No. It's only within that environment they were nurtured that you lead them parading. After that, immediately the planting season started, every animal into their ranch. They will lock them there, and you go to forest, bring food, cut the grass, cut the leaf, whatever you know they like to eat. You cut it and dump it inside that place. When they eat finish, the shit they shit there, you sweep it out, go and pour it inside your garden as a manure. Even that time, the peeled yam or peeled the yam and other fruit that they normally eat, you pour it to them. They ate it. So we don't have issue of that. How much would they say we are creating ministry for that? It's where that they are roaming about, that we say, okay, let us come and do that. Therefore, as someone said, Biafra don't need it. Easterners don't need it. South don't need it. Even before the advent of British people, we have Enugu cattle ranch. Vasa, that people train cattle there. Obudu cattle ranch, Cross River, is there naturally. God made it for them. That's where they train. It doesn't go out. Even Abakaliki, Ebonyi State are the highest cattle or cow rearers in all over Biafra. But you cannot see their cattle outside, ravaging people's property. You cannot see it. So therefore, we don't have problem with that. Then how can we create a body to take care of the problem? Because Mr. President, that this body, Minister of Livestock, is created to make sure there's a permanent solution for farmers and herders. In Biafra, we don't have farmers and herders classes. Therefore, there's no need of creating that body in Biafra. And as Biafra rejects it, and that is so will they stand. And moreover, they have right to reject it because they are partially not Nigeria anymore. Even if at all they accept it, that law will be abolished out of Biafra every time Biafra government in exile return back home. So most of the law in Nigeria will not affect Biafra because it's only their one finger remain in Nigeria. All their bodies have already gone out of Nigeria. So only this one finger remain in Nigeria, pointing Nigeria like this, and pointing Nigeria. But the rest body is off Nigeria. Then what is the need? Imposing on Biafra. So as someone said, he's right. Biafra don't need it. Biafra don't need it.
But do you not think this will cause conflict in the east between the Biafrans and the Fulanis? Because since the federal government have imposed the Ministry of Livestock, now do you not think this will cause conflict between both regions?
You say pose, which you force people to accept what they want, what they don't want. Even in the West, it may cause. All over Nigeria, it may cause because you impose it on people, and you say you are a democratic nation. How can you impose things on people when you are democratic? Why can't you demo and characterize it before passing into law? You understand? And the causing problem or friction between Biafra and Nigeria. Is there not friction already in this quest? Look at in Biafra, herdsmen killing, going to farmland, killing, doing everything, amending. Even though human beings wear Nigerian army uniform, go to farm, destroy people farm products. Is it not commotion there already? There's a commotion between Biafra and Nigeria concerning land grabbing. That's why ESN was created. For the first place, ESN wasn't created to fight Nigerian army or fight Nigerian government. ESN was not created for the first place for the liberation of Biafra, but it was created for the first place to checkmate these people that are taking livestock into the farmland, killing the owners of the farm, destroying anything on the land. This is why ESN was created, which means there have already been problem, commotion, friction, struggling, between the livestock people and the Biafrans before this Minister of Animal Livestock. They become already. So what this one we made is to make Biafrans to stand up, to defend their place fully, because this ministry have made Biafra to know that these people really want to occupy force animal issue to them, force animal right to them, to accept animal right and quit their land for animal and go to the IDP camp and stay, so that animal will have a place that it will have administration. So animal will have a place to minister to human being, giving human being administration. I mean, it's commotion already. So what the Biafra have to do already now is to build off their defense for animal not to take over their land. In this modern way, they are doing it. Livestock ministry. That's what they have to do. This was someone Ekpa said no. And saying no, we do not accept it, which means we have to defend ourselves, our land. They have to defend Biafra against this Ministry of Animal Livestock, because it was there that the Fulani government of Nigeria will take to come in now to grab land in every part of Nigeria, mostly Biafra land.